What's his name?
Max.
Max?
Yeah.
Revelation speaks, the horse is pale. COVID-19, we cannot dwell. Took the Bible out of schools, the system failed. Yeah, economic crash, the banks needs a bail. I got this feeling in my hands, I reworld now. And every time I look around, I'm seeing body counts. I don't care how much it pays, I ain't selling.
Yeah. Pre-existing concrete. And my guys from Epoxy have sealed up all the little creases, you know, all the little creases around the bottom. Whoever needs it, they sealed it. Beautiful.
I ain't selling now, and everybody in the streets, they are feeling now.
Just to take a little video of what's going on so I can capture.
Yep.
You know.
I'm trying to weave around them.
Yeah. Same. Remember I told you it was saturated, man?
Oh, yeah. We get all the shrimp we want. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
And there's probably a little bit more than what I charge you for in most places, but
That would be
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I can smell the chemicals from here.
I got you a couple of videos I'll send you. And
Okay, cool.
some pictures.
Oh yeah, I definitely will. All right, man.
And we
So I could actually step in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't spend a lot of periods.
Okay.
We got to over your lights as good as we could. Being
Okay.
the stuff in the middle made it hard. But
Okay. That's perfect, bro.